Hey guys, so we're back again here. We're going to try something new today. We're going to use this product here, which is called Kiwi Shine and Protect. It's actually a black shoe cream, which is designed for black leather shoes, but I'm guessing this will actually have an awesome effect on leather seats in your car. Now, you can get this stuff in a whole variety of colors, so you can check out your local shoe care shops. They have many more colors than just black, so you can find something to fit your upholstery. Now, I've already applied that a little bit here on this seat, right? And that is actually starting to look pretty good. So, like a lot of these leather care products, this will actually moisturize and cover with a bit of color. Here you see I had spray painted before with a different treatment, which you can check out in one of my other videos. But adding the shoe cream on top of that gives a really nice shiny type finish and will actually soften and take care of your leather. So this is the before applying the shoe cream, and this right here is after. Again, it doesn't really take care of those cracks, but it will soften them up, it will fill them in a bit more, and if you stand a bit further away, it actually looks pretty great.